This is going to help with our test review on absolute value, inequalities, and equations. So up here we have 2 equals the absolute value of x minus 1. This is the question. The work that we showed down below when we break it into 2 equations is when we get rid of the absolute value bars. So we have 2 equals x minus 1 and negative 2 equals x minus 1. And now you're going to solve it. And you have 3 equals x and x equals 2. Second problem we have is the absolute value of x minus 4 equals 9. So we have to actually need to erase these. Because we need to add 4 to both sides. And now we have the absolute value of x equals 13. And then your work becomes x equals 13 and x equals negative 13. That's when the absolute value bars go away. And we don't have to do anything else because those are our answers. This problem here is a little bit longer. It's 5 multiplied by the absolute value of x plus 3 plus 8 equals 6. So we are going to subtract 8 from both sides. And we have 5 multiplied by the absolute value of x plus 3 equaling negative 2. Now one thing that you might notice right now is that this equals negative 2. So that's a red flag that we might not have a solution. But I'm going to go ahead and divide by 5 and see if that changes anything. And it does not. We still have a negative number. It's just negative 2/5. We cannot have an absolute value problem like this equaling a negative number. So this is no solution. Now we're moving into absolute value inequalities. We have 2 is less than or equal to the absolute value of x minus 8. So the first thing we need to do is add 8 to both sides, isolate that absolute value. We have 10 is less than or equal to the absolute value of x. Now we are going to rewrite it as 10 is less than or equal to x. And now we have negative 10 is greater than x. And those are our 2 inequalities. This is your 10, your negative 10. So x is less than or equal to negative 10, which is going this way, and x is greater than or equal to 10, makes it going this way. This inequality is the absolute value of 2x plus 5 is greater than or equal to 9. That is the question. Let's separate it, and we have 2x plus 5 is greater than or equal to 9. And now we have 2x plus 5 is less than or equal to negative 9. So we're going to go ahead and subtract 5 from both sides. And then divide by 2. We have x is greater than or equal to 2. Here we're going to subtract 5. Less than or equal to negative 14. Divide by 2. X is less than or equal to negative 7. We have our graph, greater than or equal to 2 over here, less than or equal to negative 7 over there.